Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to gain mastery in Bee Swarm Simulator. To truly excel, you need to grasp the fundamental game mechanics, focusing on efficient pollen collection and converting it into honey. Completing quests strategically is also incredibly important for advancing, and optimizing your beehive will be a key factor in your overall success. Let's dive into the details. A cornerstone of progression in Bee Swarm Simulator is completing quests from the various bears. These missions offer fantastic rewards, including rare eggs and essential treats for your bees. Always prioritize quests that yield valuable items or substantial honey. You can often multitask similar quests, completing them faster and earning rewards more efficiently. This strategy will significantly boost your progress. Effective resource management is crucial for advancing. Consistently collect pollen to fill your container, then convert it into honey to fund your purchases. It is wise to save valuable resources, such as enzymes and oils, for crafting powerful gear later in the game. Upgrading your tools, like your dipper and bag, will significantly increase your pollen collection rate and storage capacity, making your efforts much more productive. Optimizing your beehive is essential for long-term success. Strive to acquire more bees, as this directly increases your pollen collection rate per second. Regularly feed your bees treats to level them up, enhancing their stats. Focus on obtaining gifted bees, which provide powerful hive-wide bonuses. As you progress, consider specializing your hive color, such as blue or red, for advanced strategies and greater honey production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.